Hi, you guys. So today I got my order that I bought a couple of weeks ago online, and it's the Bridgerton Lush Collab products. Now, I didn't get all of them. I think I didn't get one or two because I've already had them and used them and reviewed them. Yeah, pretty sure I already have that, and I looked in my blog, and yeah. So let's see what we have in this box. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first product in the Bridgerton Lush Collab is this. It's a body wash called See and Be Seen. Okay, and it looks like a shower jelly. Yeah, but it's a little bit different in consistency. And it's the rose jam scent. This is made in the rose jam scent. Now, to me, it's more the consistency of one of the Lush shower slimes. You know, like ectoplasm slime or Burr slime or Bam slime or any of the Lush slimes. And that's the consistency of this. So it's not really a jelly per se. However, I do like this consistency because I think it'll be easier to use in the shower than a typical Lush shower jelly. So I think that's a good thing that it's in this consistency. And so in a minute, I'm going to show this up close to you. But for now, I'm going to go through all the products first. So it says how to use: gather a handful, inhale the citrus floral aroma, and lather onto wet skin, and then rinse. So this has fresh rose petal infusion, strawberry juice, Pakistani rose absolute, rose oil, geranium oil, and lemon oil. So a lot of rose. And it's the same scent as their rose jam bubble rune or their rose jam shower gel, or they've made a lot of products in the rose jam scent. And I'll see if I can put in one of my scent family photos here so you can see. And here's what it looks like up close. You can see how much more liquid it is than a regular shower jelly. And this is the consistency. It's very strongly scented with that candied rose jam scent. And so I like it. I love the label too. It's a different, sort of more fancy label. Okay, I think it smells great. Next. Now, I didn't buy this one, but I have used it before. Lush made this a long time ago for us to buy and use, and they used to sell it in all the stores, and it's called Creme Anglaise, and it's a body lotion. It's a very thick, rich body lotion. This was one of their most expensive body lotions because of all the things that are in it. I adored it. Some people didn't because it was very sweet, and it had this sort of like yummy bakery custardy vanilla custard smell with a slight kind of licoricey note that some people didn't like. I love it. I loved it. There are 2 or 3 other products that Lush has made in the same scent. One is the Pot of Gold shower jelly, and the other one is 3 Gold Rings bubble bar. And then there's also another product called a Glorious Mud body mask, and it has that same scent. This next Bridgerton Collab product is a body balm or massage bar called Bee, and it has the scent of Honey, I Wash the Kids, which smells so yummy, like toffee. It's made with orange oil and bergamot, and it's an extremely popular, yummy scent. Lush has made a lot of things in the Honey, I Wash the Kids scent. And so this Bee massage bar has the scent, and it is meltable. So if you live in a very hot area, you need to make sure that you don't leave it out someplace that's warm because it will melt. By the way, I also have a box here that is the Lush Kitchen subscription box for which also has a couple of Bridgerton products that are not in this collab box, not in the collab. They're just exclusive Bridgerton products for the monthly subscription box for this month. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is called Color, Clarity, Carat, and Cut. And that's how, those are jeweler terms as far as jewels or diamonds. That's how they rate them as far as cut, clarity, color. And I love that there's blue, there's pink, and then there's this really light color of blue. This is made with bergamot, lemon myrtle, and benzoin. The smell of this is so gorgeous and yummy. Oh my gosh. It's fruity and almost like floral. But there's a sweetness about it that probably comes from the benzoin. You can smell the lemon myrtle oil. It's like lemon, but a little sweeter. It's not what I would call like a citrusy scent, even though there's lemon myrtle oil in it and bergamot. It's more of a like a yummy and sort of pretty scent. I like this a lot. As far as scents are concerned, I would say the scent alone is a 4 or a 5 out of 5 rating. So I can't wait to use this and see what it looks like in the tub. So that's Color, Carat, Clarity, and Cut. Next is this bath bomb, and this is called Two Families, like Bridgerton, and the yellow side says Lush, and the B, and the blue is the B. So this is also a bath bomb. This definitely smells like a and it's got some cocoa butter cream in the middle, so it's like a sandwich cookie where it has 2 halves and then some cocoa butter kind of cream looking thing in the middle, just like a macaron. This smells like it has 2 scents. On this side is a lavender scent, and on this side, it almost smells like yuzu and cocoa. Lush scent. Lush made a bubble bar and a shower gel called yuzu and cocoa, and that's what this smells like. Let me see what the ingredients are. Okay, I'm going to read the ingredients, okay? So there is organic cocoa butter, lavender oil, chamomile oil, lavender absolute, neroli oil, bergamot oil, grapefruit oil, tonka bean absolute, cocoa absolute, lavender powder, yuzu powder, extra virgin coconut oil, and almond oil. So wow, a lot of lavender, herbal lavender, and fruity with the bergamot and the neroli and the grapefruit, and then we've got this yummy sweet cocoa and tonka mix. So there's herbal, there's fruity, and then there's foodie. This just reminds me of a wonderful macaron that you could eat. I can't wait to use this. So that is the Two Families bath bomb in the Bridgerton collab. Next is a spray perfume called Lush X Bridgerton. I love the package of this. It's so different for Lush. It reminds me of the older original sort of labels that they would do for everything instead of the boring kind of black black things that they do now. Oh God, this is so pretty. So cool. So it says perfume Lush Bridgerton, and it has the jewel diamond in the middle. And let me see what the ingredients are. This has ylang-ylang, rose, mint, jasmine, and rosemary. So, yes, ylang-ylang and rose, which are floral, rosemary, which is herbal, jasmine, which is floral, and sage, which is also herbal. So that's interesting. Floral and herbal. I can't wait to see what this is like. Okay, so right away I smell the jasmine, which I love. Anytime Lush puts jasmine in anything, except for the Lush Lust, Flying Fox, Godiva, that product line, I don't like that, like at all. But anything else that has jasmine in it from Lush, I love. Oh. So jasmine, rose, and ylang-ylang. All three of those are flowers. So it's very floral. The sage and the rosemary. Sage and rosemary are very strong herbs that people use to cook with. And I thought that those two would be quite present in this, but I don't really smell those. On my skin anyway, with my nose, your mileage might vary, like I say. But right now, anyway, I mostly smell the jasmine and the ylang-ylang. The rose it's not rose forward. If anything, it's jasmine forward. The rose is sort of like in the background and is less strong than the jasmine and the ylang-ylang, okay? And the rosemary and the sage, I don't smell the rosemary at all. And the sage is very light also in the background. So to me, this is more jasmine and ylang-ylang forward, if that helps you with your purchasing decisions for the perfume. So far, I really like it. It's different. I love that these products here are very layered in scent. It has a lot of notes. They are more complex, layered scents, and I really, really like them. So these three, they all smell so good. And there's a couple of more Bridgerton products. So if you want to subscribe to my channel here, that way when I do the next video of this Lush Kitchen subscription box unboxing, you'll be able to see what those products are and what they're like and what they smell like. But for now, I'm just like, now a lot of you, I have noticed, have been looking in my blog at the Lush Rose Jam Shower Jelly, and which I absolutely adore. They had that at Lush UK online as an exclusive for a short time only, and so I bought a couple of pots of it and have since used it. So for those of you that were looking at my review about the rose jam jelly in my Lushalot.com blog, this smells the same. It's a different consistency. Okay, it's not like a wobbly, firm jelly. It's more like a runny kind of, easier to use on your skin in the shower kind of thing, so that the jelly doesn't fall on the floor. This sticks on your skin and so that you can lather with it and whatnot. All these are very fragrant, so I think that they're going to last a while on the skin, which is good, because if I'm going to pay for something that smells good, I want the smell to last on my skin for a while. So, wow. I would say this is in terms of scents, okay? I think this is number 1 as far as scent is concerned. This is number 2 as far as scent. This is so different. This is number 3 in terms of scent, and it's still really, really good, even though it's the number 3, okay? They're all so good. And then the rose jam is number 4. Now, if rose jam is number 4 in scent to me, then that's how good these are, okay? Does that make sense? Because this is so good, right? And if these are better than this, smell-wise to me anyway, like these are a wow. I'm pretty sure that this right here is going to be a 5 out of 5 rating, because I like the smell, and I'm pretty sure it's going to look pretty cool in the bath just from the looks of it. So yeah, I'm glad that I bought the products in this collab. And then there's, of course, the 2 products in the subscription box that are completely different than any of the Bridgerton products, even the ones that I may not have bought on the site. These are 2 different ones. So I hope that helps. Yesterday I uploaded a video of my unboxing of 8 of the 28 new bath bombs that Lush just put out a week ago. There are 28 bath bombs in total, and they're going to be online and then later on in stores until, or actually around June timeframe. So they're only going to be available for maybe about a month, and they may or may not keep some of them and keep them and put them in the regular rotation all year round for Lush. I hope they do. So I have 8 of those. If I can afford it, I'll buy another 8 as soon as I finish those. And so I'll be uploading videos of those new bath bombs for you. And I'll be uploading videos of these as well in the tub so you can see what they look like. So, okay, that's it. There's a lot of products here. So thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and I really love you guys, because it's like a little Lush obsessed family here. And I really like talking to you guys about Lush. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Okay, bye-bye.